So, good morning, everyone, or good day, everyone. Um, I just want to show you how I remove unwanted lines in the original artwork. So this time, I'll be showing you uh, an original art of Jim Lee, which is a Savage Land Rogue. So I'm gonna show you how you remove the blue lines and these lines, and of course the scanned line, because obviously this is scanned twice. It was half cut in half and then stitched in maybe Photoshop. So yeah, so first thing you'll do, obviously this image is in RGB. Let's go to I'm using Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. So yeah, again we'll be removing the blue lines from the original scanned art. So let's go to image. This is in RGB mode. Okay, we'll go to image, adjustments, then choose black and white. Okay, so from black and white, you'll see from the blue lines will be automatically be gray, and you can control it using these colors. So usually I select cyan because the blue lines are in cyan always. So just adjust the cyan. Oh, as you can see, eventually disappears. You don't have to go all the way to 150%, just maybe 140, and you better zoom in and see, because if you go to the maximum adjustment, you'll see that it will be white. So you don't have to do that. Maybe around 138, as long as they're clear. And I'm adjusting the blue colors, and I think that works fine. So there, that's simple. It's that simple to remove blue lines from the original artwork. So press OK and see if it's you got rid of the blue lines. Yeah, then we're now off to remove the gray and the dirt from the artwork. So again, this is in RGB. I'll now be setting the mode of the illustration to grayscale. So now this is in grayscale. Press Ctrl L for levels, and I just move this white and black to adjust the inks or the illustration. I really don't want to go full black on this this adjustment, because I don't want to be removing or enhancing the black lines of Jim Lee. Maybe around 32 is good. Then the white, as long as there won't be any black lines missing, will be good. Will be just fine. Again, this is an original art by Jim Lee, and I'm really excited to color this. So there, I got rid of the stitched line, some gray areas, some dirt. I still have the magnificent inks of Jim Lee himself. His line weights are all present. Brush strokes, yeah, this is all good. As you can see, I didn't even adjust the gray. I don't have to adjust it, but we'll see. No, we don't have to adjust it. So there you go. So if some of you are asking or have a question why I haven't removed these writings on the illustration, it's because I'm not yet done. I only what I do is I paint over. I use an eye drop to get the white and paint over the writings and the dirt, the, the illustration. So there you have it. A very clean illustration of the great Jim Lee. I'll be coloring this maybe in a few hours or maybe in a few days. It depends on my schedule. So I hope you learned something new. And it's very simple to remove blue lines and dirt and unwanted pen marks on your scanned illustration. So have a good day, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.